Hello everyone, welcome to my session. This is Rajesh Reddy. Now, in this session, we are going to complete the chapter Comparing Quantities Using Proportion. In this exercise 1, already we learned previous session about percentages. Okay, so how to find the ratio and how to find the compound ratio. So you can able to watch the previous videos so that you will understand the compound ratio and ratio. So now here in the exercise 1 we have some important problems. Let us concentrate on them and how to solve them in a simple way. So let us see now here, if 9 out of 24 students, so 9 out of 24 students means nothing but total students are 24. In that 9 scored below 75% marks in a test, means there is a test and in that 75% less than, so less than 75%. So how many students they got? 9 students less than 75% and the remaining students got the more than or above 75% marks. So that in this, now what is asking, find the ratio of the students, find the ratio of the students who scored below 75% to the who scored above the 75% marks. So here first let us know how many students got less than 75% and how many students got more than 75%. Okay, so here total number of students. So we know very well total number of students has given that 24 and how many students got below 75% marks. So students below 75% marks. So how many are there? 9. So these two data has given, but we have to find above 75% marks. So 75% marks above. So how to find? So very easy. Let me subtract from the total to those who got the less than 75%. So that now students above 75% marks. So how many students they got 75%? Let me subtract from the total minus who got the below 75, so that 9. So that is equal to 15. So now we got above 75% and below 75% and the total number of students. So total number of students are 24, below 75% 9 members and above 75% 15 members. So now what is asking the ratio? Now we can go to the ratio of that. Ratio to the students scored below 75% to, so above 75%. So that now ratio. Okay, so what is asking? Below 75% marks. So number of students below 75% to means nothing but by above 75%. So number of students above 75% marks. So how many of there below 75%? Very clear, it is 9 and above students 15. So we can able to simplify here 9 and 15 both are multiples of 3, so that we can do 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So both of their prime numbers, so that we cannot simplify more than that. So 3 by 5, so that is equal to 3:5. So this is what the ratio to the students who got below 75% marks to the who got above 75% marks. So this is what the answer. Another problem here, find the ratio of vowels in the word Mississippi to the number of consonants. So in English we know very well vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So in this, what are the vowels? So let us observe, vowels are here 1, 2, 3, 4. So I only 1, so that it has repeated 4 times. So number of letters or number of vowels. So how many times are there number of vowels here? Number of vowels is equal to 4, and let us count the remaining are what? Consonants. So how many consonants are there? So number of consonants here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7. Now what is asking? Ratio to the vowels to consonants. So that now ratio So ratio what to what? Here vowels to consonants. So that number of vowels to the number of consonants. So number of vowels to the number of consonants. So how many are here vowels? There are 4. And how many consonants? 7. So that 4 is to 7. So what is the ratio of vowels to the consonants? 4 is to 7. Here in this problem, first let us observe what are the vowels. Only I, how many times it is? So 4 times. So it has 4 and the remaining are what? Consonants. So how many times? How many are there? 7. So what is the ratio? 4 by 7. So it can be written as 4 is to 7. So this is what the ratio between vowels to consonants. Another one more example which is very important in exam purpose. See here, a farmer obtained a yielding of 1720 bags. So how many bags? 1720 bags of cotton on the last year. This year he is expecting his crop to be 20% more. So whatever he got the previous year, around 1720 bags of the last year, and now he is expecting 20% more than the last year. So what is the 20%? So how many bags is going to be expected of this year? So first upon in this, so let us find number of bags in the last year. So solution. So number of bags of cotton in last year. So number, how many bags are there? Around 1720. So he got that 1720 bags he yielding in the last year. So in the last year he obtained how many bags? 1720 bags. So now in this year how much percentage is expecting? So percentage to be increased. So what is the percentage? Here 20%. So he is expecting more. So first what to do here? 20% means how much? We have to find in this 20% value is what? So what is the value of 20%? So already we know that the formula. So 20% of 1720. So we know very well 20 into of means into, so in that what? 1720 by 100. So here very simple to be simplified, 1 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. So what is here? 2 into 172, so that 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 40 and 2 1s are 2, so that 3. So how many bags? 20% means 344 bags. So now this year what he is expecting? Compared to the last year, 20% more. So this year or else expecting bags of cotton in this year. So what are the last year bags? 1720 plus how much percentage increased here? 20%. So what is the value of 20%? 344. So let you add here 344. So you can add 1720 and 344. So that 1720, 344 you can add 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So total how many bags? 2064 bags is going to expect in this year. So this is what the important problem which is very important in the exam. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends.